In today's recording, we will show you how to use the channel functionality in the Sylius platform properly. Go to the channels. Now you have access to all the channels available in your organization. In addition, you have access to information such as channel name, code, theme, status, or actions to take. Click on the Create button to create a new channel. As you can see, you have been redirected to a panel where you can create a new channel. To do so, enter the channel code and its name, and optionally select a color. Then enter your host name and email contact. Next, enter a phone number and a description of the channel. Then, proceed to choose the country. In the next plug, select the base currency and the other currencies honored in the channel. Finally, select the tax zone and tax calculation strategy. In the Shop Billing Data section, fill in the data as required, while for this recording, this step was skipped on purpose. Then, select the theme that interests you in the dedicated Look and Feel section. In the next step, select Locales and Default Locale. Now, select the main taxon of this channel. If the available options interest you, select them and click the Create button to complete the channel creation process. As you can see, the new channel has been created successfully. Now we will show you where the channel creation will apply in practice. Go to the Products tab, find any product and click the Edit option. You will see the newly created channel in the right corner of the Channels tab. You can now sell the selected product on it. Now go to the Manage Variants tab and list variants. Select any variant, and click the Edit button. You can make price changes to the product variant depending on the channel. Now go to the Taxons tab and create a new taxon. For this recording, we will create a wholesale main taxon. After creating a new taxon, go back to the Channels tab and edit the wholesale channel. Now, go to the section dedicated to the main taxon and select the taxon you just created and save the changes. You can see the following use of channels in the Sylius platform by clicking on the Orders tab, where you can see which channel your customers are ordering from. You can get the same channel information by clicking on the Payments tab. You will then find out from which channel the funds are coming in and from which channel your customers are finalizing the purchase process. Now, go to the Promotions tab. Select the promotions that interest you and click the Edit option. As you can see, the wholesale channel is available. Now you can make the given promotion available on the newly created channel. Moving on, enter the Payment Methods tab. Then, select the payment method you want to edit. The new channel is visible, and the given payment method can now be made available to the newly created wholesale channel.